Hello, folks. Now, if you're ready to transform your local marketing game, then the Local Directory Fortune City Stars is your ultimate solution so that you can create professional local directories that attracts clients eager for your services. Now, with this revolutionary platform, you can effortlessly build a directory on your WordPress site, complete with exclusive GPT-powered assistance and done-for-you content. So say goodbye to the hassles of client hunting and hello to a steady stream of business owners coming to you. Now, you will receive an exclusive free bonus from us. When you purchase the Local Directory Fortune through this link, you'll receive an exclusive ebook bonus outlining a comprehensive marketing strategy, a client acquisition blueprint, and video essentials for local directories. Now, this bonus is designed to enhance your experience and help you maximize the potential of your new directory. So why should you buy this book? Well, the Local Directory Fortune is not just a product. It's a game changer for anyone looking to establish themselves as a local marketing authority. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive features allow you to set up your directory in minutes, optimizing listings easily, and effectively promoting your services. Now, this is your chance to create a thriving local business hub that generates revenue and builds lasting client relationships. Now, the person behind this product is Don View. Now, he's a respected entrepreneur who crafts done-for-you solutions for online businesses looking to grow their business effortlessly. Now, he has over 10,000 sales on Warrior Plus and is an expert in developing local directories for his clients. There are a number of positives and negatives with this program. You can set it up effortlessly. You can get your directory up and running in minutes with a straightforward WordPress backup process. You can quickly populate your directory using CSV files, saving you time and effort. It's a user-friendly interface, so you can seamlessly navigate searches and filters options for an optimal user experience. It comes with comprehensive training so that you can access strategies and training to maximize your profits and become more effective in what you do. And it also comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, the negative includes an initial learning curve. While the platform is user-friendly, some users may need a bit of time to familiarize themselves with all the features. However, this is a great opportunity to enhance your digital skills and become more proficient in local marketing. So in conclusion, the Local Directory Fortune City Stars is an incredible investment for anyone looking to dominate the local marketing scene. With its ease of use and powerful features and valuable bonuses, you'll be well on your way to creating a thriving local directory that attracts clients and generates revenue. So don't miss out. Take action now and buy it before the price increases. And don't forget your exclusive bonus. When you purchase the Digital Review Fortune through this link, You'll receive an exclusive ebook bonus outlining a comprehensive marketing strategy, a client acquisition blueprint, and video essentials for local directories. Now, this bonus is designed to enhance your experience and help you maximize the potential of your new directory. Now, thank you for listening, folks, and we'll see you next time.